From Duna Ami, I'm very confused. How would you know kapag mahal mo na? We all have different definition of love, but I think mahal mo na siya kapag hindi mo siya kasama. Tapos siguro mga 1 month siya pa din yung nasa isip mo. Ganun. I don't know. Comment down below kung ano yan. I'm here in Furano, Hokkaido, Japan. First time ko ulit mag-ski, guys, after 2 years na to yung ACL ko. Grabe. Sobrang kaba ko kanina. Honestly, it's more of a mental block more than like skiing. But I'm happy I did it. Trying to learn more about myself. And trying to build that confidence again. Thank you, Pao. Hi, everyone. Kamusta kayong lahat? Comment down below. So pretty, G. Davis. Sa ganyang ayos mo, you look like Alicia Keys, Maliana. Oh, wow, really? So, Mother, I miss you so much. This is my skiing outfit. Hello. My suspenders. Skiing outfit. That's my ski boots. My ski gloves. Hot tea. Hapla NNE. Where is Scott? Scott is still skiing. So usually I'm a beginner skier. I just ski with the instructor, and Scott is like on top of the hill, any mountain, doing his thing. Japan. So I'm waiting for him here. Very fresh lang ang atake. Wow, from Ayanor. Yeah, very fresh lang ang atake natin. Kasi atake natin ngayon ay sunscreen. Can't wear makeup. Ang hassle naman mag-makeup ka pa tapos magsiski ka, di ba? No makeup look, just shades. With pimple patch. Ilang kupas, ang ganda mo, Queen Summer from I am Binoco Carlo. Oh, thank you. Saan po kayo magsiski? I am here in Furano, Hokkaido skiing. Next week pupunta kami ni Saiko. Kinda miss you na mother. Still remember the days na fan mo. Me ng Miss Grand. Oh, from Ian. Oh, thank you for the support and love. I know that you guys miss me in pageantry. But I feel like I really miss also Romampa. But you know, life happens. And now I'm a married woman. John Renz Camacho. Kailan po ang balik niyo sa Showtime? I will be traveling the whole month of February. After Japan, for 2 weeks, I will be in Singapore 2 weeks. And then, we're gonna spend time in Thailand. So, after March. So, hopefully, by second week of March, nakakabalik na ako. Then, yeah. Sun vacation po yun. Here in Toronto also, Wanza. My husband is from Vancouver, Canada, actually. Ganda mo po talaga mag-Gura Love. That's thank you. Hi, Sir Angelo Mendez. Love you. Miss ko na ang tandem nyo ni Eliza Valdez. Oh, thank you. Alam mo ba, super kabisado ko yung tagline mo na nagagamit ko sa mga leadership. Which one? Anong tagline? Saw you in Showtime Studio last Wednesday, Chinese New Year. Sobrang ganda mo. From John Renz Camacho. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Miss ka na ng mga taga Iloilo. Thank you, guys. I miss also. It's my first time in Iloilo. I hope makabalik ako ng Iloilo. Hi, ang Reyna ko from Jadery. Hi, Samber from General. Hello. Watching from Southern Leyte. Ooh, you're from Southern Leyte pala. Super ganda mo in person. Sana makapunta ka ulit sa Mascara here in Bacolod. Miss Jelly. Ah, thank you. Sana nga. When balik mo sa Showtime. Hopefully, by March. Hopefully, invite nila ako ulit. Petition natin yun, guys. Sa Samber for Showtime. I'm kidding. Hi, Kai's Case. Puksaan daw, MUPH 2025 this year. Eh, puksaan nyo na yan. Kaya nyo na yan. Give chance to others. Hi, John. Hi, Wanza. Thank you, Angel Guan. Watching from Puerto Princesa, Palawan, your hometown. Yes, Dale Marking. Thank you. Uy, kailan ka nag-Iloilo, Ate Kat? One day lang ako dun, ate, nung Miss Iloilo. Hi, Keys. Keys ba? Case? How do you pronounce that? When kayo ulit makikita nila eh? Kakakita lang namin nakaraan. Maybe pagbalik ko, punta ako manood ako ng PBL. Supportahan ko natin si CZ. Collab with Nicole and CJ. Ooh, I also want this. Hopefully, I can invite them in Sama. Isang introduce naman dyan sa pageant mo. Siguro pag nag 100,000 subscribers tayo. Subscribers! Hindi pa ng viewers. Yung answer mo na, I will be the channel of hope, compassion, and unity to stand and stop any form of war and violence. Oh, that's true. Thank you. I feel like we should really embody it. What can you say na pinapayagan ng mga mothers and married women na sumali sa MU Mix PG? I feel like it's nice that everyone has the opportunity to join Miss Universe, regardless if they're married woman or single, because maybe some people, it's really their dream to join the pageantry, and that dream was put on hold. And then maybe they prioritize being a mother or a career woman. and now they had a chance to join and reignite that passion and that dream to be fulfilled, then why not? Who am I to judge, right? So I am so happy that they have the opportunity. But for me, at the end of the day, it's all about your priorities, what you want for yourself, what can you contribute to the organization and the community also for the great ambassador or a great ambassadress for that cause. So yeah, that's it. And I thank you, Philippines. Tada! Akala ko naman everyday ka na sa Showtime. Bilino Chanday, sana magdilang anghel ka. Sana everyday tayo sa Showtime pagbalik. Eh, gusto nyo ba mag-split ako ulit every Saturday? Eh. Oh ha, ang ganda. From Mika Go Deep. From Mika. Hello. Kailan kayo magbabanding ni Eliza Ian? I think pagbalik ko na March kasi nagkita kami nakaraan. Sana makabalik ka ng Iloilo, Ate Kat. Meet tayo. Oo nga, sana Ate Kat. One day lang ako dun eh. Just nag-flight ako agad. Ang sarap talaga ng salmon dito, guys. Salmon. Jadi. 2025 na and still inuulit ko pa rin yung MGI 2020. Oh, that's the best. That's the best. Honestly, guys, all of my dreams were fulfilled during pandemic and I'm so happy that you guys are part of it. So, thank you. I feel like I can see all the comments. I don't know if it's logged, but I'm just gonna read everything. The only MGI, very remarkable, on point in everything. The moves, the looks, grabe. From Binibining Pilipinas, very natural when entered MGI. Grabe, Samantha Bernardo, you rock the whole PH. Truth be told, bravo for that. Oh, thank you, Jiro. I appreciate that. Appreciate that so much. Thank you. Comment down if you have any questions. I'm just gonna eat again. Nakamiss yung paggalaw mo ng balikat. Eh. Where's your hobby? My hobby is still skiing, so I'm waiting for him. Kakamiss yung dance spread mo every Saturday. Yes, guys, from Belino Chandy. Na-miss ko din. Alam mo yung feeling na hindi ka sumasayaw sa TikTok, hindi ka sumasayaw sa mga dance challenge, pero pinapasayaw ko sa ASAP at saka sa Showtime. Masaya naman, guys. I really enjoyed it. Nakakahiya lang. Kasi baka nasisira ko yung tanghalian ng iba. How's your injury na po? So that's the thing. I recovered 2 years ago. I also tore it 2 years ago. I'm happy that I'm skiing again, but I'm so nervous kanina. Like literally, sobrang kaba ko, guys. Like parang dami tumatakbo sa isip ko. Oh my God. So I'm taking it slowly but surely, trying to build more confidence again. And you know, at the end of the day, I am scared, but we are never a quitter. So I'm gonna ski again. I won't let any injuries stop me from doing what I love and what I want. So that's it. Pasuyo naman, B. Sumali ka ng MUPH. Lord Stortel, wag kang palautos. Charot. Samantha for Miss Universe 2025. Parang wala na akong dapat patunayan, guys. What do you guys think? Sige nga, guys. Bakit kailangan ko sumali or bakit hindi ko kailangan sumali ng Miss Universe 2025? Comment down below. Thank you, ni. Haha, char lang daw. Tama ba ako na ikaw lang ang gumawa ng hair mo? Sa MGI, grabe effort mo doon. That's the look. Very needed. Parang nag-align talaga sa'yo. Yung MGI Blast talaga yun. Can't say anything but bravo talaga yun from Jiro. Yes po, I do my own hair and makeup every single day for 2 weeks until coronation night. And then I have my stylist Kenneth. Ermil help me. I have my whole team. Alas 2 pa ng madaling araw, 3 hours pa lang talagang binibideo ko na sila para i-check yung look. Kama ito. Lost or tell. Totoong buhay siguro na mas ka lang. Na-miss ka lang namin sa stage. Oh, na-miss ko din kayo guys. Nami-miss ko actually. Na-miss ko talaga ang stage. Pero we're here naman in social media. We can see each other. That's why I'm doing like TikTok lives while I can. While waiting for my husband. Diba? Sabi ni Jadder, true, wala nang dapat patunayan. You gave so much pride and honor for the Philippines. Oh, thank you. Now naman, I wanna give honor to my family. I'm kidding. Mima. Hello, Mima. Hi, Mima. Correct, ma. Wala ka nang dapat patunayan. You haven't... Ano daw? Wait lang. You haven't MGI pero ikaw ang tumatak. Oh, thank you. Samantha is already pageant icon. And forever. Grand Queen. Same kay CJ and Nicole. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. Nag-trending yung part na sinabi mo sa isang show na you're almost there but never good enough to be there but strong enough to be there. And it reminds me of you. Oh, super. Yeah, I feel like if I want to join a pageant, it's for the platform. I already have the platform. I have you guys. It's for the... What? Diba? Tell me. Pawi, missing you during college days sa CHMT and speed dating. Thanks, Pawi. Miss Grand Philippines. Samantha Bernardo, Miss Grand Philippines. Sana makuha na natin yung MGI. Hi, Tita Dim. Shout out sa Bansamlay. May game pala sila mamaya guys. Supportahan natin. Love you guys. Samlay ka ba? Of course, I'm Samlay. I'm the Samantha in Samlay. Ang bet ko na lang siguro si CJ and Collab to train the next MGI page. Pwede, pwede. With Nicole full power. Alam nyo guys, actually. Shucks. Lahat trivia. Oops, sorry. Saktan ko kayo. Teka, I'm getting my tissue. Kita niyo na yung utak ko dyan. Sige lang. Nakita na nila ang utak ko. Hindi ko pa makita ang tissue ko. Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Oh gosh. I have a lot of stuff on my back. Ta-da! Got it. Here we go. Hopefully parating na si Scott. Sobrang taas siguro ng mountain na ini-ski niya, that's why. Na-miss ko yung kabalaaklaan mo sa stage. Makikita ka pa ba namin sa stage soon? Do you guys want to see me in the stage? Do you guys want to see me on the stage or you want to support me on that stage? Magkaiba yun. Which one is that? Where are you, ate? I'm here in Japan. I just finished skiing. Scotty. That's my husband. Say hi.
Hello.
Finally, he's here. So bye. Waiting game is over. Just let me finish my food. How's your ski? Ing.
Good.
Good?